So last time we talked, we were kicking around this idea of prayer. We talked about how cool it is that we can pray to God. We talked all about how prayer doesn't have to be boring or dry, that they can be huge and awesome and full of life. Hopefully you've been able to think about these concepts the last couple of weeks. After all, prayer is vital. Prayer is how we communicate with God. But you knew this. You get it. Prayer is awesome. Praying to God feels good. Prayer is always super happy and extra special. Always. All the time. If this describes your prayer life, I've got news for you. You're probably missing it. That's a pretty big statement I just made, isn't it? How could I say something like that? Here's how. When you look at so many of the prayers in the Psalms, you notice they're not happy. They're not peaceful. They aren't all smiles. A lot of the prayers in the Psalms are full of raw, real emotions. Emotions like frustration, anger, and helplessness. These prayers pack a punch, and they don't shy away from asking hard questions. And you know what? These tough questions and raw emotions are aimed directly at God.
Does this make you squirm a bit?
If it does, it's only natural. Here's the deal. Pay close attention because this is really important. The truth is, God welcomes every single one of our real, untamed emotions. After all, He is the creator of these emotions. And when they are expressed openly and honestly, God welcomes them. He doesn't shy away. He doesn't punish those who come to Him with burning or broken hearts. God is big enough to handle your emotions. The question then is whether or not you're big enough to bring your emotions, especially the ones that aren't pretty to God. Prayer is powerful. Prayer draws us closer to God, but to experience all that God is, we must be willing to bring Him all that we are. Are you willing?